In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to activate or deactivate ShopPay accelerated checkout on Shopify. So let's just begin. Now, first of all, we need to head over to our settings from the bottom left side of our screen, and here you can see we have all of these checkout options. So basically, ShopPay is something that you add on externally onto your store, and you can see we have payments over here as well. If you have added ShopPay, you can simply deactivate from this section. I currently do not have it active, and if you're using the app for it, you can simply remove that as well. So once you remove it, it is going to be deactivated, of course, and if you install it, it is going to be activated. So currently it is not supported with my type of store, but if you have it, you can easily deactivate from this section. And I hope this is going to be helping. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe. See you guys around in the next video.